If you're new in crypto and you're looking for a platform to trade crypto in South Africa, make sure you watch this video because I'm going to show you how exactly you can create an account and start trading within 5 minutes. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. First thing first, what you want to do is to download the app. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And then you're going to see this dashboard. You can quickly log in or sign up. So what you want to do is to click sign up right here. And you can quickly put your information like your name and stuff like that, right? Your phone number there, your email, your password and confirm password. And you can also put referral code. The link is going to be in the description below as well. Once you create an account, you're going to have to verify your account so that you can get started and start trading and be able to deposit funds to your account. So what you want to do, you're going to have to go to settings and then click profile, and you're going to have to make sure that you verify your account by simply submitting your ID or your passport or any document that you have. Once your account is verified, you are good to go and you're going to be able to start trading on TD markets. I've made a lot of videos talking about how exactly you can trade on TD market and exchange and stuff like that. The link to the full video is going to be in the description below as well. Make sure you subscribe for videos like this.